Hi, and welcome to the Behavioral Test and Approach Generator tool. My name is Laura, and I am very excited to walk you through this tool. So, it's very easy to get started. All you have to do is answer each question and evaluate on a scale of 0 to 10 how much does this question describe you, your personality, and how you behave in typical situations. So here you can see there are some numbers as an example. Please go ahead and edit them so that they are a true reflection of you. For example, the first one likes positions of authority. So what you can ask yourself is, how much do I enjoy being in positions of authority? For example, I love being in a leadership position, having authority over my work and personal life, as well as on others who report to me. If you feel like this resonates with who you are, then go ahead and score yourself either a 9 or a 10. How much do you feel it is about you? If you feel like it doesn't resonate with you at all, you can go ahead and put 0 there, or maybe it's just a little bit, so maybe it's 3 or 5. So go ahead and change it as you prefer. And as you move further down, you can see that there are more questions here. At the end of each category, it will show a sum of your answers. Just ignore it for now and keep on going. So answer all the questions. So there are in total 4 categories. And once you finish, you should see your test result here. So it will show you the score for each of the most typical personality types. So in the example that you can see here, the most dominant one is the red one, which is oriented to dominance. Then we have the yellow and the blue one here with an almost equal score, and then also the green one with the lowest score. So if you scroll further down, you can see the visual representation of your results, and you can also see the different needs for different behavioral types. So how important is, certainty, uncertainty, significance, love, growth, sharing. The higher the number, the more important the need, and the most important needs have been highlighted. So for the behavioral type red, the most important things are significance and growth. For yellow, it's uncertainty or spontaneity, and also significance. For green, it's certainty, love, and sharing. And for blue, it's certainty and growth. You can find out more about the personality types from our previous blog posts. It will be linked next to this video, so you can find out more about yourself and what the actual results mean in your context. Once you know what is your dominant behavioral type, you can choose it here. There's the drop down menu. So let's say that the highest was red in our example. So I will go ahead and click on red. And now it will change how, it will show me how I should react with different personality types. So if there's another red sitting in front of me, then here are some ideas on how to best communicate with them. Also, how should I communicate with a yellow, with a green, with a blue, and so on. And that is it. I hope this test is helpful to you. You can reuse it after some time, let's say once a year, to see how your personality type has evolved. And you can also test yourself in different situations. For example, how you behave at work may differ from how you behave at home, or when you are stressed may be different than when you are relaxed and on vacation. So use this test wisely and use it over and over again to truly understand yourself and the people around you.